This is like 2 trailers of Kaji sun zo faɗa zafa na hana shi ɗauka. Yana tattaɓawa. Hey!
Now you are informal. Listen, now I'm deciding that they will come to you.
Tell us your name.
My name is ROAN. Now they take know me for market.
Okay. Can you just tell us your full name?
Rita Samuel Wakodo.
So tell us what happened and how you were informed about the fire.
So we don't come market. As we come close, everybody go. No, say normally 6 o'clock we don't go. So as we come out, go. I dey house, my landlady come call me, say, "Ah, mama, you dey here? They say market don dey burn for depot." I say, I no even pick my phone self. I just run enter this place. As I reach gate, they not let us enter. We beg. Then they come the pictures. They can't allow us enter. So as we reach that place, the fire just from this side, just they come. I manage carried 4 bags, go drop am where I go drop am. At the side Gary. As we drop am the place where I go drop am. Me I come back, come carry another one. They don't thief that one. We not see am. As I come back, we manage carry the other remaining one go dump am. The whole 14 bags. 9 trailer run am. That place. This our fire service motor. As in they come, we just run or scatter am. But not only my Gary there. Both everybody's own. It just scatter everything. So now so everybody own just go like that.
But they wonder why the market burn like this. They no quick come and how.
No say no road. No road. They came early, but no road to enter. You see how?
Wetin block the road?
No houses now. No, say the shop, no road.
Not allowed to enter.
Not only security.
On the other side.
Not only security. You see no road. If to say road, they for manage of the
Yes,
they for manage of the lights. But just the no road. We not get road.
Tell us wetin una dey demand now from Area Council chairman. City minister.
Make them know how they go help us. As I say, Miss Abi widow, I not get anything. I don't borrow money elsewhere. People don't give me Gary credit. I not see how I go do again. I don't know what I go do myself. 40 bags of Gary not be 1 naira. I don't know what I go do again. The thing where they pay me na person with people where I owe, not be say make my own. Now people where I owe. So may God help me. Make them intervene. Make them come help us. I beg. Make them help us. If no else they go help us, make them help us.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
070
31 81 31 again 39
99
39.
39. Okay.
Yes.
070
Yes.
31
Yes.
81
Yes.
31
Yes.
39.
39.
It's Obasi Michael.
Okay. You have a shop here?
Yes, for Gary Depot. And they settled me for January 30th. And enter union for Gary Depot. Yes. No, January. Yeah, GDCA. And my market enter day before yesterday. And they call me, I come market yesterday. Around 7:29. They call me, say, this market is fire. I just enter. Security not allow us to enter the market. All the 30 bags I have from my shop, only 5 bags I come out. And if you come out, bring them out. If you come, you can never see them. And the thing that the problem they there. If you come out, you can never see them. And everything, all the way my garden burst for fire. If you red and white. Yeah.
How much they sell one bag?
One bag now is 62,000 and 63,000 for white.
Okay.
The other red is 80. You will see people will give you 78.
Okay. So how you want make government take help now?
Make na beg at the beg. Make compensate. I beg. Yes, I beg. I beg at the beg. If not me now, I don't have anything. Na village I won't go.
Why?
Or make I go. I don't know. Next thing I go do again. All the my money. They for my this my shop.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Alone, I use to buy my market.
See, those your
Alone, I use to buy my market. My brother, I finished school,
Then we
you
start
don't work. Waka Abuja, I know. Now private school, you know they teach. December, this is still when my shop there for this plaza. I lay shop 150,000. Stay 1 year, the money I collect, people money they go down. Now I pay the Christmas, they help me find shop where people they waka. Now they don't get me shop for here. Anyone, my brother say me stop work for where they work. Come and stay there. All the money over 8 million has gone. I don't know where I go. Start my daughter they come back now from school. From some because as the client they say everything don't finish. The people get better motor, they come house soon. I don't know where I go start, my brother. Suffer 8 years old, split down. Where will I go? Where will I go? Food, the beans, 3,000 naira now. Where will I start? Every my brother go market on Tuesday. He go the same market Wednesday. Yesterday, the many money where he sell on Wednesday, pack and go buy the trash card. He say they start waiting for shop for them. Everything for my brother get money even to eat food now. I don't know where I go end. I don't know where I go end. I don't think God go help me. God go come and make the help us. I don't know what to go do. Make the help us. Maybe they need to help us. Maybe we start everywhere. And this market where we there now. There for plaza, I talk everywhere. The 8 million, 10 million. Where we go get money buy? We go get collect loan, buy shop. We go collect loan, put for markets. How will we pay it? The poor people, how will not go stay? Will not go stay. May go help us. Let us help us. Let government to help us. Even if they don't give us money, but they give us shop. They give us shop. Anything where we see, we can start afresh. We can start afresh. People where we owe, we begin to play with them and know how to beg them. If we collect another loan, put for the shop, we don't know how to go down our life. But now, no shop, no money. How can we start? No place to go. No only God be our helper. I beg, when I help us talk to government, make them help us. So I beg.
inside. No,
This is finish first, man. This is what is going
we'll go tell her what's in
No, you keep pushing.
FCT sender. This FCT sender was not Ireti.
I came to commiserate with you.
I think you are not getting a shot.
Very painful event. Madam, I'm sorry. I can see from your faces what a disaster this is. I'm really sorry. I'm very, very sorry that this happened to you. I'm going to do my best to intervene with all the agencies to get as much assistance to you as possible. This is a very difficult time for the nation. Yesterday, when I was called about the fire, I called the fire service, but the fire had been on for a while and the accesses were not good. So it was very difficult to put out the fire. But still, the fire service did their best. The police were here. We thank them. And I also, I commiserate with you. If there are ways in which you know that I can be of assistance, I am there for you. My office is available to you. You can write me. Writing is more effective because I can take the document and go to the agency and say, you must do this. I'm really sorry. Thank you.
Senator, I'll just ask you, there are those in this market that have alleged that this is sabotage, like the fire was orchestrated. Because at the moment, there have not been established facts of what was the cause of the fire.
Why would anybody burn the market down on purpose? Can you think of a reason? People don't do things without a motive. But whatever the case, I'm sure it will be investigated. We will look into the causes and find out the cause of the fire.
The issue of affordability of the shops after reconstruction, how do you intervene to make it possible?
Count on me, I will intervene. I will keep a close watch on it, and I will ensure that the price of the shop is not exorbitant, because this is a disaster that's not of your doing. You cannot be penalized for it. I will look into it. I am here to serve you. I did not become a senator for any other reason than to give back and ensure that we build a society that my children will be proud to say, I belong here.
Okay, now, last night, I was here, I actually saw the firefighters. They came early, they came prepared, they came in their large numbers.
Yes.
But access to where this inferno occurred was a challenge.
Yes, that's
now,
what they told me.
Alteration of the master plan, especially for those markets. What are you going to do this time?
We're going to look into the design. I will ensure that the design of this market meets international standards. I give you my word. You have to be responsible. Part of the problem sometimes, they can put it properly, then people will now start encroaching and building their own shops that are not part of the plan. That also creates a problem. As I've said before, I will say it again. For us, all of getting Nigeria to be what we want is a collective thing. You, me, everybody, leaders as well as people. Do you understand? You can't, the country we want will not happen in a vacuum. We all have to join hands and build that nation that we all aspire to be. You will call your leaders to order. We, the leaders, also will tell you, the people, that you have to be kind to each other, you have to be law-abiding, you have to have compassion for each other. Because without that, and also you have to take responsibility for what is happening around you. There's no point I'm saying I'm a good citizen, I see somebody beating you and robbing you, and I say it's not my concern and I walk away. No, that we all have to be each other's keepers. That is where we are in this country right now. And if we're not willing to do that, then things cannot get better. Thank you.
Where that one they go?
This way. Follow like this. Follow like this. Follow like this.
You can follow anywhere.
No road there.
It's okay.